Multi-sensor data from the Nimitz and Roosevelt incidents recorded objects descending 80,000 feet in under a second, without exhaust plumes or control surfaces. These maneuvers are only possible through metric engineering. These objects bypass the laws of traditional aviation by moving along a massless geodesic. Instead of pushing through the air, they manipulate the local spacetime grid to shift the universe around the craft. Because these are localized spacetime manipulations rather than aircraft, standard aerospace analysis is irrelevant. To solve the data, we have to look at the physics of the vacuum itself. We trace this physical signature to 1952. Astronomical plates from Hamburg and Palomar observatories captured sub-second orbital flashes, Busko glints, 5 years before Sputnik. Comparing these 1950s transients to 2021 Catalina sensor data reveals a technological flatline. Performance characteristics have remained identical for 70 years. This lack of evolution points to a static, automated infrastructure. We are likely observing a post-biological von Neumann network following a pre-programmed operational clock. This propulsion generates a byproduct. The metric vacuum ionizes the atmosphere, creating a plasma shell density of 10 to the 15th electrons per cubic meter. This filter swallows low-frequency civilian and marine radar, while returning only the high-cadence pings of military sensors. The metric field also explains transmedium travel. By warping the fluid medium, it can enter the ocean at Mach 5 without a splash, a thermal spike, or an acoustic shock. These kinematics are the mathematically certain result of a metric field. Air and water react identically when the spacetime around the object is displaced. Mapping these energy densities reveals why the data is inaccessible. Generating a metric vacuum requires power levels that fall under the jurisdiction of the Department of Energy. These specific energy outputs trigger the Atomic Energy Act. Under this statute, all related telemetry is legally designated as Born classified, shielded from the moment of capture. The Department of Energy uses Title 42 to maintain this firewall. This statutory protection is immune to standard FOIA requests and the typical reach of congressional oversight. This legal framework ensures that high-fidelity UAP data remains within the same high-security silos as the national nuclear stockpile. We have mapped the 3 pillars of this phenomenon: the metric physics, the historical coordinates, and the legal statute used to hide the results. Because the digital telemetry is locked behind nuclear secrecy laws, the current investigative phase has reached its limit. Public confirmation now depends on a different type of evidence. The burden of proof has shifted. We have moved past the search for sensor data and into the mandate for physical hardware recovery.